Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Musawir. Allah is the perfect designer and shaper of everything in our universe. Let's discover together how Allah shapes and designs everything in the most amazing and perfect way. Al-Musawir means the shaper or the designer. Allah is the one who gives everything its special shape and form. Think about all the wonderful things around us. Every single creation has been perfectly designed by Allah. He makes each creation unique and beautiful in its own special way. No two things are exactly the same because Allah, Al-Musawir, designs everything with perfect wisdom. Look at all the amazing animals Allah has designed. Each one has special features that help them live and thrive. Allah gave giraffes their long necks so they can reach the leaves at the very top of tall trees. Birds have wonderful wings that let them soar through the sky, feeling the wind beneath them. And fish. Allah gave them special fins that help them glide smoothly through the water. Each animal is perfectly designed for its own special way of life. And what about the beautiful flowers Allah has created? Each flower has its own unique beauty. Some roses are deep red with a sweet smell that makes us smile. Sunflowers grow tall and bright, following the sun across the sky, and lotus flowers float gracefully on water, showing their delicate petals. Allah has created so many different types of flowers, each one with its own special colors, shapes, and sizes. Allah's amazing design can be seen in people too. Al-Musawir has made every person unique and special. Look around and you'll see that everyone has different faces, different heights, and different hair colors. Some people have brown eyes, others have blue or green. No two people look exactly the same. Even twins have tiny differences. This shows us how creative Allah is in designing each person to be beautiful in their own special way. Allah's perfect design can be seen in the way He creates things in matching pairs. Look at a butterfly's wings. They match perfectly, like a mirror image. The patterns on both sides are exactly the same. And when you look at leaves on a plant, you'll see they grow in perfect symmetrical patterns. Even peacocks show Allah's amazing design with their beautiful tail feathers that spread out in a perfect pattern. Allah has created so many beautiful patterns in nature. Every snowflake that falls from the sky has its own unique pattern. No two are exactly alike. Look at how bees build their honeycombs in perfect hexagon shapes, and seashells grow in amazing spiral patterns that get bigger and bigger. These patterns show us how Allah designs everything with such perfect detail. Remember, children, everywhere you look, you can see the beautiful work of Al-Musawir. Whether it's in the tiny patterns of a snowflake or the giant patterns of a giraffe's spots, Allah has designed everything perfectly. Subhanallah, glory be to Allah, the perfect designer. Next time you see something beautiful in nature, remember that it was Allah Al-Musawir who shaped it in such a wonderful way.